Viskou.
Hi, welcome to Viskou channel. Today I'm going to introduce few Hikvision Analog public announcements products to you. I will be demonstrating the control of this 120 watt analog amplifier, which is DS-QAE0A120G1-VB6 with these two speakers. So this speaker here is Hikvision's pendant speaker. So the model is DS-QAEZ0510G1. So this pendant speaker have several different input that you can take from the analog amplifier, which is 70 watts, 100 watts, and then 8 ohm input. So from here, you also can see there's different power mode that you can choose between by screwing this. So by adjusting the power, you can have different volume control directly on this speaker. And then you can also control the power it takes from the amplifier. And here is the power that you can take from the analog amplifier. So for this pendant speaker, in the box it comes with this chain, metal chain, which you can mount on the speaker, and then at this side you can just hang it on the ceiling. So here we got a cabinet speaker, which is also from Hikvision. So this is DS-QAE0120G1-REN. So this cabinet speaker also comes with a few different power inputs. So you can also take in 100 watts input, 70 watt input, and here is the power control for the speaker. At the back of the 120 watts amplifier, there's a fan to cool down the amplifier, the power, and few input and output terminal. So at here, there's a main output terminal here. So this is a COM port, the constant impedance output to the speaker, 70 watts output to the speaker, and 110 watts output. Other than the main terminal output, at the below here, we can see there's 6 individual output to the speaker. So this can be connected to different zone, so that you can control the volume at different zone individually using the control knob, which I will show later. So at here we can see there's few RCA inputs and RCA outputs. So here we have the AUX1, AUX2, EMC. So AUX1 and AUX2 will be the normal RCA inputs to the amplifier. And then for this EMC input, which is the highest priority input, which we call the emergency input signal. So when this EMC input gets a signal, it will instantly stop any of the audio from other input path, and then just play the audio that is coming from the EMC input. So the amplifier can also output this from this RCA output. Now I will demonstrate the MP3 module function here. So here you can see several buttons. Here is the loop button to loop between the music you are playing. This is the play and pause buttons, the previous song, next song, and mode selection buttons. So if the MP3 module is showing off here, you can switch it on by clicking this for 3 seconds, the loop button, and then clicking the play and pause button for another 3 seconds. And then the MP3 module will switch on. So as you can see here, currently is the Bluetooth mode. So you can select between Bluetooth mode and the AUX mode by clicking this function button, mode selection button. So let's test on the Bluetooth sound. So at the Bluetooth mode, I can connect to the Bluetooth by selecting this Hik audio. So let's test on the sound. So for this pendant speaker, I'm connecting to the channel 1 of the analog amplifier, and the cabinet speaker I'm connecting to the channel 2 of the amplifier. So you can see I can control individual zone volume by the channel here. So let's say I'm turning up the volume of the pendant speaker by using the channel 1. Okay, so let's say I test on the channel 2. And then I can control the overall volume by using this knob. And then I have the bass control and treble control. So let's test on the mic priority, because the mic 1 has the highest priority. If I talk into mic 1, the song will stop instantly and play the mic audio. Hello, hello. And then if the mic is no longer having any sounds, the music will turn up again. So here, let's test on the USB. If you are currently playing Bluetooth music and you plug in the USB, it will automatically play the USB sound. So at the USB, it will play from the Autos directory, and then it will search for the playable music inside the USB. So you can go to the next song. And then another thing you can do with this is, in the MP3 module, you can turn the volume up by long pressing the next button, or you can turn down the volume by long pressing the previous song button. So that's all from the functions of the analog amplifier. And the analog amplifier supports rack mount, which you can see from here. You can do rack mount using the hole here, and then also from the side of the amplifier. So those are the function of the MP3 module of this amplifier. So before finishing the video, I'd like to show you another special functions of these modules. So you can switch on or off the voice prompt when switching between different modes. So let's say when I click switch between different modes, currently it will have a voice prompt. If you want it to be silent, you can long press the mode button. So currently, when I switch between the different modes, it won't have any voice prompt. So I can switch it back on, and then I switch between the mode. USB mode. Okay, so that's all for today's videos. Hope you like the video, and give it a like and subscribe to Viskou channel for more tutorial video like this.
Viskou,